Hello everyone, what is mastery? The process of mastery. How can we master our lives? And how is it possible? Why most people fail to master their lives? What's the problem? In this video, I'm gonna talk about this. If you wanna master your life and be successful, please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, the psychology of success, mindset, offline and online marketing. To watch more videos like this video and also future videos, because every week I release 3 videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business and master all parts of your life. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel United Braves. What is mastery? The entire process of learning a new skill and developing expertise in some areas of your life is mastery. If you want to learn a new skill, you need to master this skill, and after that you are so qualified for that skill and you can do it very well. For example, you feel some weak points, you feel somehow that you need to learn a new skill to develop yourself, to get a better position and situation in your life, and you see that you run a business, you need some skills. For example, marketing, or for your life. You see that you don't have a nice relationship with your family, with your partner, with your girlfriend or wife or boyfriend or your husband, and you need to master your life to have a better life, to have a great life, and you don't know how to do it. And you know that, for example, you need a skill, a special skill, how to manage your life, how to have a great relationship with your family and with your partner. So that's why you need to master. You start learning about this, but after a while you get regretful or you get disappointed, you see no result. In this video, I'm telling you that how you can do it, how you can achieve what you want and master every part of your life, because this is so important. People who want to have the best life, they think they deserve it. Of course, if you want to have the best life, you think the same. You think that you deserve it. You deserve the best life. And you need to be an expert in one skill, in that skill that can change your life completely and impact your life. That one is so important, and you need to master that skill, that new skill that it's so necessary to have. Then you can get massive achievement in your business, in your life. If you want to improve your relationship with your family, with your partner, you need to master a new skill, how to behave them, how to influence other people. You need to know this one. So it is so important to know how you can master your life, your business, and every part of your life. Mastery is a process of learning a new skill. We are able to expand our abilities. There is no limitation for us. If you think that you don't have this ability to learn a new language, you don't have. Just you need to believe it, because you have a great mind to learn what you want, to master what you want. Just believe in yourself that you have the ability to expand everything that you want and to develop yourself, your life, every part of your life. Then you can become successful, great person, and achieve what you want. What are you mastering? Are you learning a new skill these days or not? You need to analyze your life. You need to look at every part of your life, that which part of your life you suffer from. You see some obstacles, some challenging situations, some problems. You need to look at it and analyze it very well. Then you will be able to master your life and master a new skill, and you become an expert even in that skill. You need to be so conscious about this one. I already released a video. In that video, I talk about that you need to have life purpose. You need to have short-term goals, long-term goals. setting goals for you and make a plan. Please watch that video to know your life purpose, because first you need to know your life purpose and then you need to master your life. And for mastering your life, you need to know that if you have a plan, if you have a vision, if you have a goal, you know that for achieving this goal, for reaching your great vision, which skill you need. Exactly. If you want to improve your life, develop your life, which skill you need to master it, to learn it. You need to think about this, I mean, for a long time. I mean, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Because this is so important. This is not something that, okay, today I will decide to master one thing, learn one skill, let's go, do it. No, this is something that exactly is so important. And if you choose a new skill to learn it, you need to think about this, that if I learn this new skill, will it impact my life completely or not? It should have a great impact. It should have a great conceptual and massive impact on your life. This skill is so important, and then try to learn it. Then try to learn it. There is a process of mastering. How you can master? First, you need to learn. First, you need to learn. You need to read books. You need to read articles. You need to take some courses. Then go to seminars. Join some classes about that skill. About, for example, how I can get better relationship with other people, with my family, my partner. You need to know this skill and master it. So take some courses, read some books, a lot of books. The first step of mastering is learning. You should accept this one, that your lack of learning, you need to learn a lot. So then read books, read articles, take some courses, join some classes, to go to seminars, and be with some people that they have the same goals like you. They are so positive and they're gonna help you to master your life also. Be with this kind of people. So for the first time, the first step for mastering is learning. Then do it. Just do it. Acting is important, not just learning. You know, for example, I've seen a lot of people that they just learn. They just read books. They just learn something and they never do it. Okay, if you learn something, then you need to do it. Not just learning. You will be like a book. A book just can walk, but can't do anything. You need to do it in your life. If you, for example, learning about time management, you need to act. You need to make a plan, make work daily tasks, a lot of things. If you're learning a new skill, how to set goals, again, you need to act it. You need to write something. You need to do something. This is so important. For example, you're learning marketing to master your business. Just you learn, and you don't do anything special. You don't set any campaigns, do anything. So you don't do anything and expect that the situation, expect your business. Why hasn't it changed? Why hasn't been changed anymore? So the second step is just do it. Act. Action is important. And the last step is teaching. Teaching what? Teaching what you've already learned before. This is important. Teaching is the third step of mastering. First is learning. Then is action. The second step is action. Do it. And then teach people, other people. If you teach other people what you've already learned, you add values. You add values and never forget it. Actually, according to a statistic, the best process of learning a new skill is teaching that. If you want to learn a new skill, just teach it. Do it and then teach it. Even while you're, for example, you're learning something, and while you're doing that one, you feel that, yeah, this way is better. For example, you learn another way, but you say, no, to do this one, this way doesn't work anymore. This way is better for me. So even you can find, you can find new way or new method to learn a new skill, and then you can teach other people free. For example, teach your partner, teach your friends, teach people around you, your colleagues, everyone. In this case, you can master the part that you want, and mastery is so important, and it takes time, efforts. If you want to master a new skill, it is really like this. Maybe you spend 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and there is no result, and no expectation of consequence, because you expect a great result, but after a while you see no result. You shouldn't give up. You shouldn't give up in this situation. Say, okay, I give up, I don't want to continue anymore. No, it shouldn't be like this. You need to focus on just mastering your life. It is the fact. For example, if you want to learn a new skill, you need to spend 5 months, a year, 2 years, and you shouldn't expect yourself to get the result, to get some great result after 3 months, after 2 months, or 1 year even. It takes effort, it takes time. But be sure, if you keep your persistency, you can master, and you can achieve what you want. If you want to become a great person, a successful person, it's so necessary and essential to know it. It takes time, effort. Nothing is easy in this world. At first, you need to show to this universe, that you have the power, you have the ability, you are the person to achieve what you want. Show your values, then this world will say, yes, this person has the ability to do that, and this universe is gonna help you, and then everything together can help you to master your life. And this is so beautiful that you can master, and then you feel so great, self-confidence, self-esteem, because this is the result of what you've done before and you've mastered before. And after that, you respect yourself a lot, and you see a lot of beauties around the world. Everywhere you look at, there is beauty, there is opportunity, because you are not that person before you were before. You are a new person, a great person, a better person. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video. Please do it, and also to watch more videos like this video, and watch more videos, future videos, because every week I release 3 videos for you to help you to master your life, your business, and mindset. Please right now click on the red button below the video, click on the red button and subscribe our channel, and be sure that you hit the bell to get notified whenever I release a new video, not to lose it. And I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.